Hey everyone, today I'm gonna talk about different types of aircraft with pictures. Number 1, turboprop aircraft. Number 2, piston aircraft. Number 3, jumbo jets. Number 4, regional jets. Number 6, wide body airliners. Number 7, helicopter. Number 8, commuter liners. Number 9, narrow body aircraft. Number 10, Airbus. Number 11, Concorde. Number 12, military aircraft. 14, fighter. Number 15, multi-role combat. Number 16, water bomber. Number 17, military transport aircraft. Number 18, maritime patrol. Thanks for watching. So I really hope you do enjoy this video. Then do like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel.